Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another Guess What's in the Box video for you guys, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. I ordered these before my truck accident. I got one sitting right there in the corner as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up a couple items. I ended up getting a $15 promo. I ended up started using the Amazon Photos program, the app on your phone, as well as you can use it on the computer. If you have an Amazon Prime account, you get unlimited high definition photo storage for free, and you get like 5 gigs of video, which I don't use the video, but it's nice because every time I take a photo, as soon as I plug my phone in, it automatically uploads it to the Amazon Photos, and then I can access that from my computer with the app on my computer, which is nice because it helps me with videos as well, because a lot of my photos I take for videos. So I ended up picking this up and that guy up, and got $15 off both items. So this is going to be the Guess What's in the Box video. I will tell you it is related to something on the toolbox. Could be something up here, could be bit related, could be related to these magnetic trays. It could be some more flap discs, who knows, more gloves. And it's pretty solid box. And I did take out an old touchscreen Pioneer AVIC AVHP 8400BH stereo. I'm looking at getting another AVIC 8200 next. If anybody knows where I can get one of those, it'd be much appreciated. So my 4Runner got totaled, it's at the collision center. Very large wreck. I posted on Facebook and Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you will be able to see those photos. If you don't, I'm not going to do a video on it. I might do a video on it when I get the truck back to my house. Whether it comes back and I retain the vehicle and it comes back completely full of damage still, or the collision center repairs it, I'll give you guys an update on that. Supposed to be having another 2000 4Runner dropped off today. Today is July 27th. It's a Tuesday. They're going to be actually bringing it down to my house and dropping it off. So we have another 4Runner for to do videos on for the channel as well. This one is lifted. Does have rock sliders, bigger tires. It's got extra goodies, leather interior. It's a limited edition 4x4 model. It's got climate control on all the extra goodies that I didn't have on mine. So look forward to that coming up on the channel. But real quick, the bag is 13.5 inches long, about 10 inches wide, and it is about 2 inches tall. The actual box on the inside is actually 10 inches, no, it's 9 3/4 long by 7 inches wide, 2 inches deep. What do you guys think it is? I'm telling you right now, it is related to what's on the toolbox. Whether it's on top of the toolbox or the side of the toolbox, I'll let you guys guess. Hope you guys are having an awesome rest of your day, and it's going well for you guys. I'm doing pretty good. want to say thank you to all of you guys for the support that have, you know, commented on Instagram, and all of you guys that support the channel as well. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Peace!